on a different planet. What's that show? Last Man on Earth, whatever it's called. Oh my God, it's all the way down the beach. GoPro, take a photo. This is nuts. I mean, I thought there was gonna be debris, but look at this. There's like something in there too. Is that cement? A piece of brick? What is that? Ulcer? It's like a rubber plastic thing, just in the ocean. Ugh, look at this. If you want some bamboo, that's lit. I might take a piece of bamboo home. Where's the bamboo coming from? It's crazy. Wow. This is freaking nuts. I've never seen this beach have this much debris ever. I mean, it is all the way down the beach. Wow, I don't think that bulldozer has come over here yet. He's gonna be like, holy shit, I quit. I mean, the slant, if you can see the slant, it's crazy. It stops raining, it's drizzling, which is nice, but this has to drain the water, so he has to come out and dig this out every time. What is that, like a shell or something over there? I'm so glad I got this piece on. Look at this. I'm gonna go on that side and see that house is what I want to do, but I'm gonna have to walk all the way around. This is nuts. I can't get around. Look at this. I cannot get around. Unless I run that way.